This can save you from diabetes, a recipe for an ancient folk remedy. Diabetes can be a very tough condition. There are numerous medicines that can help, but people often include natural remedies in their everyday treatments. Today, we're suggesting you include cabbage. According to some experts, cabbage juice is even more effective. Cabbage possesses strong antioxidant and anti-hyperglycemic properties. It regenerates the damaged pancreatic cells, since it possesses numerous proteins, vitamins C, B1, B2, B6, potassium and magnesium. A survey conducted in 2008 revealed that cabbage juice lowers blood glucose, but it also helps with the release of excess weight. Take a look at the amazing recipe we're presenting you today. Before recipe, discover the exact step-by-step solution that helped 96% of patients completely end the need for insulin medication, proven at the University of Kentucky and the Veterans Affairs Medical Center. Link in the description box. Recipe. First, wash and then chop half a kilo of fresh cabbage. Put it in a blender or juicer and add 1/4 cup of distilled water. Mix until you get a green porridge, with bits of cabbage inside. Then, mix this porridge at the strongest rate for about 10 seconds. You should drink a glass of this magnificent and fresh juice every day, before each meal. The results will amaze you and you'll be able to notice them in no time. We really hope you find this video helpful and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.